Is your Teams desktop app acting up or completely unresponsive? Don't panic, we have a quick workaround to help you diagnose the problem. This video will show you a simple way to determine if your Teams issue is with the local desktop application or something else, like your account or network connection. The core problem is when your Teams desktop application becomes completely inaccessible, often referred to as dead or unresponsive. The best diagnostic tool for this is the Teams web app. It allows you to quickly bypass local application issues and check your account status. Simply open any web browser and navigate to teams.microsoft.com. Once there, sign in using your usual account credentials. What happens next is key to understanding the root cause of your problem. If the web app loads and functions correctly, congratulations. Your account is fine. The problem is isolated to your local desktop application installation. However, if you can't sign in to the web app, or it also fails, then the issue is likely with your account credentials, network connectivity, or a broader service issue. Knowing the result from the web app test helps us decide the next course of action. When contacting IT support, make sure to specify whether the issue is local, web app works, or account/network related, web app fails. This speeds up the resolution process significantly. The Teams web app workaround is a fast, effective diagnostic tool that keeps you connected even when the desktop app is down. Stay productive,